So now we got Lake Trail. This is Maple Trail still. There's a public notice. Look at that. Ruin my nature. It's common sense. Put up a nice little brown sign. No camping, no smoking, you know, all that crap. But we are going to take Lake Trail. Show you where Maple Trail leads to. As I said, it's been a while since I've been back in here, so I figured it's such a nice little area, I better walk through and just check. And so far, I'm reasonably happy. Taking more happy pictures than I am of garbage sitting anywhere, which is good. So once you get on a Maple Trail, it's probably 35-40 minute walk to where we're going to end up here shortly. It's a nice little walk. A lot of uphill, so if you're into building your cardio, it's going to do it. Warm you up for Benson, which I'll be doing here in the near future. I just wanted to make sure this area was good for my kids to walk through, so that's the reason why I'm doing it now. Get the wife and everybody doing it. And next month or something, go camp on top of Benson. It's definitely good to see that some areas just are meant to enjoy. Oh, we're coming to a lake. Wonder what lake it is. Well, I know what lake it is, but normally I'd take you for a walk up that way, but kind of told the wife I wasn't going out all that long, so I'm probably already over the limit. But fortunately, she loves me, and she knows I'm only out here wandering around anyway. I like going where other people don't go. Not that I'm anti-people, I just like my own company better. It's quieter. Unless I'm with my kids. I like taking my kids hiking. And this will be a good little walk for them. Come up with a kilometer count here and be posting that on the Facebook page. You know, my average hikes are at least 20 kilometers around that area. Anybody figured out what this lake is? Here, we get a better look at it. Nice little lake. Good little spot to come and relax. Alright. Looks like I got, oh, I was gonna say I had a jogger coming up on me, but you're in the other way. So I've seen 2 people my whole entire time since I've taken my own personal trails. Not that I want to see my trail swamped, just because I showed you the road. I didn't really show you the road. I didn't tell you how to get to Maple Trail. Makes it more mysterious that way. But there's some that already know how to get to it. Probably not the way I take it, because I take the direct route, but there might be a few that take it. The trail seems to stay open. It's like I said, I haven't been that route in a while. Here, I'll give you a look over there. Look through the branches. You might be able to recognize the area. Dun, dun. Any trolls under there? Doesn't look like it. Not Corona, cannabis. Get another good picture of the lake here, and then I'll tell you what it is. Well, got a pretty good view of the lake. This is Morel Lake. Might as well finish out this video and walk you to the end of it. Nice little spot to come picnic. Oh, we have signs. I like signs. I'll hold it here for a few minutes for y'all to read it. Alright. Here's the view from here. There's a duck sitting on a log over here. See how close we can get to him. Oh, he's already standing up. Oh, he's got another little friend. Not even his own kind sitting with him. There's a little ducky. We got those ones over there. Hey, quack, quack, quack. This is Morel Lake. Beautiful little spot to come to. There are easier ways in case you don't want the cardio workout. Have a good one.